I'm going to show you how to set up your Weebly accounts and a little bit of information about how to use Weebly. You're going to go to Weebly.com up at the top, and you're going to choose to sign up. And you're not going to type anything in here. You're going to click the G plus sign up because you're going to use your Berkeley account to sign up. And then you're going to choose your username at berkeleyprep.org. I'm picking a different one right now because I already have an account with my other email address. So again, it's your at berkeleyprep.org account. You're going to choose no thanks, not right now. And then you're going to see where it says my site, and you're going to choose edits, or you're going to choose the plus sign. You're going to create a site. And you're going to choose other and skip this step. This selecting a theme is going to be important for you based on the utopia that you're creating. So pick something that fits your utopia in some way. And then up at the top right, you're going to choose Start Editing. Here you're going to choose use a subdomain of Weebly. So choose what you would like your website to be called. It can be the name of your utopia or your group members. Don't use your last names in it. Just do something that you can send easily to your teacher. So this is everything that you have to choose from to add to your sites. So you can add a title, you can add text, you can add images, maps, if you want to make up a place where your utopia is located. And when you hover over anything, you have the ability to then change it. So here, if I wanted to name my utopia, that's my title. I don't like that button, so I'm just going to delete it. I can scroll down. This is going to be a gallery right here. So this is going to give me the ability to add pictures. And if I don't like the way this is done, again, you can easily delete by hovering and then clicking delete. Let's say I want to add some more text here. You're going to click and pull it out from the sidebar, and then everything is movable. So now text has been added over this picture because I clicked and dragged the text onto the picture. I'll add some more text down below, making it a bigger box to add text to. So you can edit, drag so that the image changes sizes. That's on your main page, so this would be your home page. And up at the top, this is on this particular theme. It depends on which theme you pick. This is where your pages show. The multiple pages that are part of your assignment, when you click pages up at the top, you're going to have some pages that you do not want because you're not going to want the shop page. So click shop, click delete, and get rid of whatever pages you don't want. Blog, don't want that, delete, and then you don't need a contact page, so you can delete that as well. And then you are left with just the home page. You can click the plus button to add more pages. Just choose standard page, and this is where you can start putting in elements of your utopia. So I think one of the options that you have is government. So you name it and then hit done. And now you see another page that has shown up. There's no header because I chose to have no header. So any elements, again, you're going to click back to build, and you're going to keep building your page. You cannot use HD video or audio because those are upgrades, but you can bring in a YouTube video if you have something from YouTube that relates to your utopia. And then you can also do a file, and doing a file will allow you to upload a sound file. Once it's there, it'll say click here to upload file. You'll click there, and you can choose the upload file button after you have the sound recording done on your computer. Once you have everything dragged onto the main part of your page, everything is pretty easy to move around. So if I want the YouTube video above the image, you're going to click on this bar, drag it, and now the YouTube video is above the image. You're going to be doing a lot of text on your site, so wherever you want the text to show up, you're clicking to add text boxes, and you notice that that minimized the size of the YouTube video. So you can play around with it and continue. Remember, the pages are added up here. You can change your theme if you don't end up liking your theme. You can't break it, so just click around and see what you like to edit. When you're ready to invite other editors, so the other members of your group, you're going to click Settings, go to Editors, and then Add an Editor. And this is where you're going to type in someone else's email address. I'm going to do Mrs. Estes. And what do you want to allow them to do? View and edit all pages, view and edit selected pages, or view and manage stats, forms, and comments only. You're probably going to want everyone in your group to have an admin role, so go ahead and save the editor, and then they will receive an email offering them the opportunity to edit the site. The specifics are you can't be working on the same page at the same time. So if member 1 is working on government, member 2 should be working on education, not government, because it will overwrite each other. When you're done and ready, you hit the publish button. Make sure you have a subdomain. You're not going to register a new domain, and you don't have your own domain. So make sure you have a subdomain, hit continue, and then it'll publish your website. And then you'll want to send Mrs. Estes or Miss Lake the link, however they are collecting those links. And that is it.